Welcome back, guys. In this new video, I think it's a part 2 or part 3.
Part 2
Part 2
or stage 2
stage 2. Well, so you
of
have
SBA.
okay. So you have looked up a 3-bedroom bungalow online, and you have drawn it. You have converted the units to millimeters from meter to millimeters.
Yes.
And you have drawn it in AutoCAD. Well,
Yes.
you have drawn
This is the 3-bedroom bungalow.
3-bedroom
Bungalow.
Okay. So now, so in the previous video we looked at location of doors. So we sketched that. And,
This is mine. Not really that
so
good.
that is
but
where you're gonna put your doors, right? Where your doors should be. Alright. So our next step now would be to add. You need to add your windows to this, right?
Yes.
We need to cut out add some columns and stuff for the veranda and porch, but I think you should add your dimension to this now, so you know what you're working with. All right.
Yes. First,
have you set up your dimension setting?
I'm not too sure.
All right, check it out. I think you should set up a dimension setting for this.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, so I go first.
Dimension setting. So go ahead and set up a dimension setting. I'm sorry to that.
Yeah. Enter. New.
That's still thing, man.
Okay. How do I think? Yeah.
Why not name it? Name it. Everything should name a dimension. Don't forget.
Lines and symbols should be 100 for building, 300 for floor size, 20 text size. Oh, it's already there. Private units, precision, and that should be a good.
Everything good?
Okay. Yep.
Everything is good. Okay.
Set current and close off.
Alright, so go ahead and add dimension to that now. Let's see.
First,
add some dimension to it. Well, this time, I want to record all of your SBA, so there can be no issue as if you did this, Remember, able to do C-set this year. Alright?
Yes.
You're being prepared for that.
Yes.
You excited about doing C-set this year?
Yep, I am very excited.
Oh,
nice. I never tried it, but if
I know well, you have tried it. You have done past paper questions.
Oh yeah, I did.
I think if I would have used continuous. Okay, go ahead. Never mind. Alright, so you're getting that thing done here. Yeah.
Okay, I did.
So he's doing his thing. Let's see how much minute it will take him to dimension this building.